All-new Honda HR-V 2022. In terms of appearance, the sporty impression is still maintained with the use of a new grille with increasingly narrow LED headlights. Meanwhile, when viewed from the side, the latest HR-V design line is also more luxurious. The drag line from the hood runs through the doorknobs to the taillights. The sturdy impression of SUV cars is also depicted with firm over fenders, thick skirts that add to the dashing impression of the Honda HR-V. Plus the use of 18-inch alloy wheels, variants 1.5 liters Turbo RS and 1.5 liters S, with an aggressive design. On the back, it looks cooler than its predecessor. The taillights flow horizontally separated by the Honda logo. The roofline also flows like a coupe. Dimensions of the all-new Honda HR-V 2022. Well, the latest Honda HR-V has a different size from the previous generation. Now bigger. The 1.5 liters turbo type has dimensions of 4,385 mm in length, 1,790 mm in width and 1,590 mm in height. While the other trims are shorter, measuring 4,330 mm in length, 1,790 mm in width and 1,590 mm in height. Of course, this size is now larger than the first generation HR-V. For comparison, the previous HR-V was 4,294 mm long, 1,772 mm wide and 1,580 mm high. In this latest generation, the all-new Honda HR-V comes in two-tone sand khaki pearl, available in E, SC, and RS variants, as a new color and several other colors such as Ignite Red Metallic, RS variant. An additional Rp 1.5 million is needed for this two-tone color variation. Meanwhile, other color options available are Meteoroid Gray Metallic, Crystal Black Pearl, Lunar Silver Metallic, and Platinum White Pearl. Entering the interior, sporty black shades color the all-new Honda HR-V. Install the 4.2-inch interactive DFT meter which displays various information while driving, such as Honda sensing, rear seat reminder, indication of lights on the vehicle and fuel consumption. Especially in the RS variant, the size is larger, which is 7 inches. The RS and SE trim are equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen entertainment screen, while the lower trim S and E are smaller, which is 7 inches. All variants of the all-new Honda HR-V already have audio settings and functions that can be done easily via the audio steering switch located on the steering wheel. Other features have also been embedded in this car such as the multi-angle rear view camera which can display 3 views, normal view, wide view, and top view to help drivers when parking their car. The all-new Honda HR-V is also equipped with shift knob wrapped in leather, 1-push ignition system and smart entry system, paddle shift and auto AC, air diffusion outlet with 3 modes of air regulation, namely normal, diffusion and closed, and panoramic glass. Roof. All-new Honda HR-V has been equipped with various other high-standard safety features, such as Honda Lane Watch, 4 airbags, G-Con Plus a seat and frame structure with side impact beam, ABS plus EBD plus BA braking technology, hill start assist, hill descent control, vehicle stability assist, electric parking brake, auto brake hold, and emergency stop signal, as well as seat belt reminder for each row of seats.